Welcome to another video by Dodge Neon Racing. This is going to be a pretty quick one. We are doing a 2008 Cobalt speaker swap. Real quick, I'll show you because I already got the door panel off. But you have the black clip down here. There'll be a little clip piece here that you clip to pull up. 2 Phillips head screws there. There's a clip piece here that you have to pull down, clip off, which they're located right down there on the floorboard. You got a Phillips screw there. You have a clip on the window crank. Now if you don't have a window crank, you'll just have things to unplug. This is here. You need to pull that off. I'll get a little closer so you guys can hear. This is the clip I'm talking about, which is right here. You can get a special tool. I don't have one, so I had to improvise with holding the door open. Like right here, I had to bend the door in and then get my flathead that I have curved at an angle in order to get in there and pry it out. And then I use my little screwdriver to pull the clip out. Once you get it off, you just unplug your speaker. Now this right here is the housing unit that the speaker was in. You can see that I've cut all the pieces out. That was right here. I just used a hacksaw, cut them, and then they snap right off. The pieces that hold the actual speaker in. Then you can actually use this to install the new speaker, which I'll get the new speaker. I'll show you. It's going to be the replacement speaker. It's a Sport DHT, and there's the speaker number, NTX-6165. It's a 6.5 three-way tri speaker system, 450 watt peak with 0.40 ohm HS or whatever. Darn it, I knocked that off. Put that back on. Alright. Try to find my power drill here. It's over here. That's my girlfriend. She's vacuuming out her car, cleaning it. This is her car. I'm just getting speakers in for her. Let's see. Okay. So you'll need a power drill for Phillips heads. This is the best way I figured it out. Let me find the screws. Oh crap. I don't want to pause the video, so hope you guys don't mind just riding along with me through this whole thing. Because I got a new computer and it doesn't have an editor system in it. But I just got 2 Phillips head screws. They're actually screws from my Neon, but you'll set your speaker in. I like to screw in the bottom because that's where the connections are. Hold that in. So let me get a good spot so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'll get it lined up. Alright, this speaker is a little wide here, so it doesn't sit perfectly, but I used the 2 screws to hold her down nice and tight. I'm gonna have to use my Phillips head to actually tighten them. Because my little Phillips head for the drill bit on my drill kind of shredded. So in a sense, that's all you got to do. Make sure it's on there tight so the speaker ain't flopping around. Alright. Alright, that's good. Now, installing this is the same as everything else. It just goes in and snaps in like that. And you're okay. You'll cut the wires and you'll clean the wires out. You want about this much wire to wrap around these end pieces right here, and then you can take this end piece and you can bend it. She's having fun cleaning her car, so but that's it for the 2008 Cobalt installing aftermarket speakers. And I want to thank you guys for watching all my videos and subscribing. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe down there, and I'll be getting more videos as I can. You know, I got plenty on my computer to get uploaded. I just got to get them cleaned up, get them all the clips put together, and get them uploaded. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.